Hey, TriMech clients, we're here on the floor, SOLIDWORKS 2018 Partner Pavilion, and we're here talking with Proto Labs. And first thing I want to know is, how's the show going for you guys? What are you excited to see at the show?
I would say a lot of it is seeing some of the technology that's behind manufacturing, similar to what we're doing. Some of the stuff is what's driving us competitively also. So it's interesting to see how some of the things we're doing and some of the things other folks are doing are kind of driving manufacturing trends moving forward, and just the general approach to how everybody's kind of making the new parts they need.
Awesome. So SOLIDWORKS has spent a lot of time the last 2 days talking about this concept of marketplace, where we're going to connect buyers with manufacturers, with folks that have a certain capability, and I just think that resonates completely with what you do for your clients. So what do you think?
Yeah, no, you're 100% right. Something we're always looking at is that kind of big term, the Internet of Things. And so that's something where what that means to us is that customizable products are going to be more and more dominant. They're going to be more and more desired. We're also going to be looking at parts that can't just be mass manufactured. Not everything is going to fit everyone, like was kind of the previous model. So with a lot of that, our low volume, mid volume production, our prototyping abilities are facilitating a lot of the testing, a lot of the things that are driving that more consumer-based interface.
Hey, that's awesome. And we've seen a lot, and if you walk around the pavilion, you see that metal printing is really, really stepping up. How do you think that complements what you guys have done for a long time? What are some of your metal printing capabilities?
Yeah. Right, so we do direct metal laser sintering. One of the huge things for us there has been that lightweighting is something that becomes more and more prevalent. We can get structures that previously couldn't be machined the way it would normally traditionally be done in manufacturing, but what we're able to achieve is complex structures. We even got some awesome parts over here that I'd like to show you guys at some point, but complex structures, keeping that same strength, but really cutting weight by a huge amount, which for a lot of industries is becoming the name of the game. You're talking about less material, less cost, and easier to manufacture, easier to design.
Well, hey, that's awesome. Thanks for the time, and have a great rest of the show.
Absolutely.